Morgan and I'm hosting Gina's channel. And today we are going to be making feather denim belts. Alright, so let's get started.
For this DIY, Morgan and I used some denim scraps, a lace curtain, and a long piece of muslin, Fabri-Tac glue, scissors, and some twine. I made a template of feathers for Morgan, and then she cut out the pattern pieces and she pinned them to the scrap denim, and then she took some chalk and she traced them.
We're going to use these pins and chalk. The pins are going to be for putting it in the middle to hold it down, and the chalk is going to be to trace around it. Alright, now since you have all of these in, you're going to use your chalk and you're going to go around.
Now Morgan has traced her feathers on 2 different color denims.
And now we're going to cut them out.
Okay.
Alright, now we need our string and fabric glue. And if you want, you could use wax paper. You could do one with this white strip. Gonna do down the middle.
We use the wax paper so that we can push down on the twine to adhere it to the glue and not get the glue on our fingers, and it doesn't stick to the wax paper. It's really easy to remove it. And you can use something, a weight to put on it. We just grabbed whatever we had near us, just so that we didn't have to sit there and press down on the twine. Denim is made up of blue and white thread, so depending on how you lay the template on your denim and cut it out, you can turn the feathers into white feathers or blue feathers because they're crisscrossed in the weave. And that's why Morgan laid some of the templates going straight up and down, and some of them were laying sideways so that we could make different color feathers. And if you notice, one of the denims we used was an aqua color, a teal color, because it was scraps left over from a DIY we had done previously that I had dyed.
And this is the part of how to make it into like a real feather. So what you're gonna do is see this like light blue part, and there's these like little strings sticking out, so you have to pull it, and then there's more of them, and you kind of just feel out where they would be.
These were so fun to make and they were addicting, but they did take a long time. We actually got the whole family involved. We had Vinny helping and we had little Ava helping, which you'll probably see her fingers in there soon. Yeah, there they are. There's her fingers because she wanted to get involved and help make them as well. This was like therapy for me. I did this for hours, and the next day I did even more of them. But I'm telling you, they're addicting because there's so much you could do with them. You can make jewelry, you could decorate your clothing with these feathers. I'm not just making belts out of them. You can make earrings if you want to make small ones. They're just really, really pretty and fun to make. Here's some of the ones we made. I love the different blues. They just came out so, so pretty. So what we did next to make this was we took 2 long strips of lace from a vintage curtain we cut and 1 tattered strip of muslin, which is like, it's actually a fabric that designers use when they do their first cut on a design because it's inexpensive. I buy it from Walmart. It's really cheap. I absolutely love it. You could use drop cloth if you want. You could use any fabric you want. You could use a pattern, but I just wanted more of a very shabby chic look because I love that look. So I wanted to stay with the light colors. So I used like the off-white colors. So what we did was we tied a knot. We took the 3 strips. We tied a knot in the bottom. And we added the leaves, the feathers, by taking the twine and putting it up against the lace and putting it up against the muslin. And then we just started braiding them. This is the part where I ask you, if you're enjoying this video, to please hit the like button and please leave me a comment below and let me know if this is something you would enjoy doing. Are you going to try this project? And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And please tell Morgan in the comments below what a great job she did. And here are the final results, and Morgan is going to model the belt for us. Thanks for watching.